Hello friend, now we learn the drawing. How we can draw the drawing from the part directly. So first, to open the any one part, which drawing is required, okay, then new drawing, remove use default template, landscape, A4, okay. Now this is the drawing window. You can see this new sheet setup. This define a general view. We can create a general view directly at this point, okay. One click at this point we can open the general view, okay. This define a different view. In which view we can require this part. So select the top view, apply, okay. Now this define the different view. Scale, we can scale this, okay. Section, 2D section, single section, view status, view display. In this display we can open the different view. Wireframe, hidden, no hidden. So select the wireframe and apply, okay. Now this define a projection view, detail view, auxiliary view, okay. So we required a projection view, okay. So select this one. Another view is projection view, select this and a projection view, okay. Now double click on this part and view display, wireframe, apply, close, double click, view display, wireframe, okay, close. Now we can apply the dimension. Let first we see the detail view, okay. Now we require a detail view at this point, okay. So select this point and draw the total view, okay. Now click at this point so you can easily see the detail of the drawing. This is the detail view scale. You can double click on this scale and you can also modify this scale, okay. Now remove the detail view, okay. Now select the view and annotate. In the annotate, these are the different thing. This is the show model annotation. This define the total dimension of this drawing, okay. So which dimension is required, select and press OK. Which dimension is required, select it, okay. This way you can apply the different dimension over the drawing, okay. Now you make a knot on the drawing, so select the knot. This define the different thing. This define the no leader with leader, ISO leader. So we can open the with leader. Okay, make a knot. Okay, select the any one thing. Okay, okay. Now make a knot. All dimension are in mm. Okay, you can draw the no leader line, no leader knot. Okay, you can different way draw the knot. Okay, you can double click on this and change this property. Okay, now we remove the knot. Okay, okay. Now we can pick up the symbol from the palette. Okay, okay. This way we can pick up the different symbol which is required in this drawing. Okay, we can also pick up the surface finish symbol. On entity, select this entity, press OK. On entity with arrowhead, please select this. OK. This way you can define the surface finish symbol. Okay. This way you can use the drawing in a different way. You can apply the dimension with a different way, apply the knot, apply the palette symbol from the palette, surface finish symbol. Okay, thank you.